How to add special effects on your messages in Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply use special effects on messages on Instagram in 2022. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing you're going to check is that either your Instagram is downloaded or updated to the latest of the versions or not. Just make sure it is. So once it is updated to the latest of the versions, open up your Instagram account. After opening up your Instagram account, go into the messages option that is at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, go into any of the conversations. So once you go into that conversation mode, you like message somebody. I have wrote that message or I have texted that message. When you're done with it, just have to tap on that search icon that is at the left side of the screen of or the left side at the keyboard pane where your text is being written. So once you tap on it, several special effect options open up. For example, in the hearted way, in the fire way, and below down there are some stickers as well, just like this. So this is how you apply a special effects on messages on Instagram. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the video. Till next time, peace.